A little bit about myself first of all. I am the product specialist for the Welsh PAS system used in ABMU. And within my role it is to make sure the system is fit for purpose, and I work with staff that use the system to ensure it's continually improving. In terms of the work that we've done, it's improved communication to patients who wish to receive correspondence in Welsh. This is obviously personalising the service we provide to them and improves their journey. In addition, we already had in excess of 1,000 different letter templates in our system, and to obviously provide these in a bilingual format, we've had to look at standardising and rationalising a lot of that content. So this is also improved communication with patients as a whole.
I'm a speech and language therapist. I work predominantly in Welsh language mainstream schools. I'm working in an education-based team with other specialists, such as a specialist teacher, to support schools to identify and treat speech, language and communication difficulties in children attending the school. In terms of the ABMU values, the project definitely covers all three: caring for each other, working together and always improving, but I think in particularly it embodies working together because throughout the project we've had to listen to all stakeholders and understand the needs of the population from school-based perspective, family perspective and the child's perspective. We've involved teachers and staff through all steps of the process, including translation process and getting feedback from them. And we've also incorporated all that feedback into all our planning, which has made it a really sort of holistic and valuable resource, I think, for now and for the future.
So I'm Jo Bradburn. I'm a speech and language therapist. I'm working in the Neath and Port Talbot Community Resource Team. So I've been learning Welsh for the past 5 years, and I originally started to learn Welsh because my children are in a Welsh-speaking school. So that was my primary motivation initially. However, once I started learning and started working in Neath Port Talbot, particularly up the valleys, I realised there was a large Welsh-speaking population within the area, and that actually some of what I'd learned to use with them actually could be translated into use with my work. Not always confident to use my Welsh, but certainly I've got a few stock phrases that I use, and it definitely helps engage people and make them feel valued, and it's just important to acknowledge and recognise how important their language is to them.